Hello guys, welcome to the year 7 tutorials of the ASP.NET Web API. In this session, we will establish the put request to update our database record in the RESTful manner. For this, we need to switch to Visual Studio and create a new method or action put, which take the ID from the parameter, a new product detail from a body. Create the try catch block. First of all, we need to retrieve the original item from the database for that given ID. For this, we need to write the same code that we are using the get parameterized method. Start with the using statement, product entities, tt equal to new product entity, product existing product equal to entities dot products dot first raw default x such that x dot product id equal the given id in the parameter, and update the existing product name with the new product name. Same code for the other properties too. Price equal to new product dot price, existing product dot quantity equal to new product dot quantity, existing product dot box size equal to new product dot box size, and we need to save the changes. Entities dot save changes, and we need to run it. Let's copy the URL, switch to Postman plugin, paste the URL, write the API slash our controller name, that is a product, and click on the send to retrieve all of the access data. You can see that the product ID 8, that is a marker, which box size is a 10 and the price is 30. I'm going to change box size to the 5 and price to the 20. For that, we need to copy the JSON format, choose the put method, specify the ID in the parameter, click on the body and specify its content, remove the ID, update to the 5 and 20, and click on the send button. You can see that its status is 204, that is no content. Let's reload our database. You can see that the box size is 5 as well as the price is changed to the 20. We have successfully updated our database, but in the certain situation it throws the exception when the product does not exist in the database. For that we need to handle it, and we also need to send the proper status, that is a 404 product not found. And when the product is updated, we need to send the OK status. Let's do it. First of all, we need to check that the product is exists in our database or not. For that we need to check whether the product is null. Then we need to return request dot create error response with the HTTP status code not found, that is 404, and with the proper message. Product with the given ID does not exist. We also need to change the our return type to the HTTP response message. If the product does not exist, then it will return this message with the not found status code. If the exists, then it will update the database, and we also need to send the proper status code, that is OK. For that we need to write the return request dot create response with the HTTP status code OK, and our product object, that is existing product, not the new product. And when the exception occur, we need to return the request dot create error response with the HTTP status code bad request, and you write the error and pass the our exception object, and click on the run button. Let's switch to Postman plugin, and this time we are going to update the box size to 10. Click on the send button. You can see that it written status code 200, that is OK, and the new product object detail, that is product ID is 8, and the other details. Let's quick check to SQL Server. You can see that the box size is changed to 10. Let's try to update the product that does not exist, for example 81. We are receiving that the product with the given ID does not exist message with the status code 404. This is the code for the put request. First of all, we need to retrieve the exist product detail and check whether the product is exist or not. If not exist, then we need to return the 404 status. Otherwise, update the product detail and the save changes and return the OK status code. Otherwise, return the bad request code. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me.